This is a tuna, egg, and cheese breakfast. You can use it for lunch or dinner. First, I will prepare all the ingredients: the onion, the red onion, jalapeno, tomatoes, and green onion. I also have 1 olive oil tuna. Now I'll beat about 5 eggs, home temperature eggs. Once it's ready, now I'll put my black pepper and salt. Just eyeball it, just as much as you want. Now I'll add my garlic powder. I love garlic powder, so. And oregano. Mix it. Next, I'll add my tuna. I add all the tuna. It's an olive oil inside of it. So I added the oil, all the oil and all the tuna together. But if you do not like the oil, you can remove the oil. Now I'll mix it with the egg. Once it's mixed, I'll add all my vegetables mix. The red onion, jalapeno, tomatoes, and green onion. It is so colorful and it's beautiful, and it is healthy. Mix it. Now I am using my air fryer baking pan. I put a parchment paper inside of it, and I will spray canola oil around so it will not stick. Now I will add all my mixture in my air fryer baking pan. Now I'll put this in my air fryer at 350 degrees first for about 10 minutes. Then I'll keep checking my air fryer because each fryer is different. It's not completely ready, but almost ready. I'll put cheese at the top of it. Now I'll put it back in my air fryer for about 5 minutes at 350 degrees so the egg will not burn. As you can see, it looks so beautiful and the cheese is melting, and now it's ready to be served. I'll serve it with my coffee and toast, and let's see. It looks really delicious and it's ready. It's cooked all the way. Now we can serve it on the plate. The cheese is still melting. Yeah, this can serve about 4 people, and I sprinkle some green onion on it. Okay, that's all I have for you today. If you'd like to watch more air fryer food, subscribe and share this video. And if you like it, click like and comment.